Design and asset documents undergo numerous revisions during their lifetime, and detecting what has changed between them is oftentimes overwhelming and nightmarish for users, especially when dealing with complex files. Today we are going to take a look at AutoVue's 2D compare capability and demonstrate how it can compare two versions of the same design file or drawing and quickly identify the difference between them. AutoVue will highlight what has been added, removed, or has remained unchanged. AutoVue can even compare files that are in different formats, for example, a DWG and DXF file, and easily align and scale them to accurately complete the file comparison. Here we have an AutoCAD DWG file. Using AutoVue's 2D compare mode, we will open a different version of this welding file. Both of these files are in the DWG format. You'll notice that a third window immediately opens and displays the comparison results. Many features are instantly available with the right mouse button click. Here, we're just going to zoom fit to get a closer look. The compare results are color-coded for easy identification. Lines that have remained unchanged appear in blue, lines that have been removed are red, and items that have been added appear in green. We can easily toggle between these using the right mouse button and choose what we wish to view. In the event that this file was modified by someone else who had saved it in a different format, such as DXF, AutoVue can easily handle this and still perform a comparison between the DWG file and the DXF file. Using the same initial DWG welding file, we can compare it to the version of the file which was saved in the DXF format. Immediately, we can see that the scaling between these files is different. Notice how they do not line up properly. This is clearly illustrated in these letters. See how they appear in red as if they had been removed, and also in green as if they had been added to the second file. To adjust this and successfully complete the comparison, we can use AutoVue's accurate scaling and alignment capability. There are multiple ways to easily create the necessary alignment. It can be done automatically. We can select specific points to align or specific points to align and scale. And lastly, we can do a custom alignment. We'll choose the third option here and select the points to align and scale. We carefully select the same region in each drawing, which AutoVue will use to scale the entire drawing in seconds. Once completed, we now see that these letters appear in blue, meaning that they've remained unchanged from one version to the next. Any other scaling errors have also been corrected. AutoVue's advanced file compare capability can transform an organization's revision process and make it easy for users to identify the delta between revisions, thereby improving and shortening review cycles.